Adi, how have you been?
Very well. It's been so long since I've seen you guys.
Yeah, it's been really long.
You changed a lot, buddy.
Really? In what way?
From nerd to stirred, you actually evolved.
Come on, guys, let's get in the car.
Stop. Reverse the car. Isn't this our lake?
Yes, it is.
No, not anymore.
Bunny,
Yeah,
what happened to our lake?
can't you see? All this happened when you are busy being Casno with your girls all the years.
Yeah, I think we can order that.
Oi, look there. She's hot na.
Why are you telling me that?
Not you, Ray. Call Adi. Ray, Adi. Ray.
Adi, is anything wrong?
Our lake, guys.
What?
Our lake. Doesn't it bother you?
Oh, Firangi, we meet after so long and you're just talking about the lake?
We literally grew out there, Bunny. How can you all not care?
I used to love that place, but now it just stinks.
Not just the stink, it's become very hot there. Walking along the lakeside now is like bathing in the sweat.
I'm very happy that today is a Thursday.
Thursday? What's on Thursday? Any new film?
We have water shortage these days, especially now that it's summer.
Water tankers come on Thursdays to our community. She is happy because she can bathe today.
Yes, total bliss.
Tankers? Since when are we using water tankers?
Our lake can't supply water anymore. We have drained too much out of it. We don't have werewolves either.
Guys. We can't let it go this way. We have to do something about it.
Yeah.
What do you expect now? Want us to take a glass of water and pour it in the lake every day?
I don't know how, but I probably agree with Adi.
Fine, but how? We don't know shit about lakes. Then how do you get it back?
Google Baba is always there.
Google what? How to save lakes?
By the way, Major Uncle is always out there to help us.
Hello, Uncle.
What a pleasant surprise! Haven't seen you guys in a while.
We were busy with college and stuff, and now we have holidays.
I see. Come on in. Please be seated. What brings you here so early in the morning?
We want to talk to you about our lake, uncle.
What about the lake?
We wanted to change it to the way it was before.
Well, how do you plan to do that?
We've actually done some research about it.
Yeah.
Adi, show him.
The first important thing is there's hardly any water in the lake.
And it's because of groundwater levels. Digging up all these bowels, there's hardly any water left in the lake.
Since it is the drainage that causes the stink, there should be something done about that first. Then work on the size of the lake. There are a lot of land grabbers, lot of encroachments.
Also, Uncle, I read about the sewage treatment plants. Isn't it a rule for these industries to treat the waste before it's being dumped?
I heard that our tank bund has only 2 sewage treatment plants, where it actually requires 5.
Yes, it is a rule. Since the machinery for setting up the treatment plants is quite costly, not all the industries have them. They do not even follow the correct norms of toxicity standards. But what you guys should think of is rainwater harvesting.
It all sounds good, but how much would it cost?
It depends on the building size actually. It varies between 3,000 to 30,000.
That isn't so very much expensive if the entire community pulls in.
Yeah, I agree.
You should talk to our community president and get the community involved.
We'll figure it out, Uncle. Thanks a lot.
Excuse me, uncle? Hi, uncle.
Hi.
Are you busy?
What brings you all here?
Actually, we are planning to improve the condition of our lake.
You kids start something and you don't complete it, and nothing works. Since you want to do it, write a letter to me. I'll look into it.
We could have gone to our cafe. I could have my french fries.
My brain is also fried up. Our president never comes up with anything positive. I wish our lake was as beautiful as this.
Don't be such a pessimist. We need to make them realize the importance of it.
Where's John?
There he comes.
Oh, yeah, look, he's coming.
Look guys, I clicked this pic while I was passing through our community.
That's pathetic. Even the municipality guys are doing this.
I'll just go get my jacket, guys.
Send that pic to me.
Why?
First send.
Okay.
Ah, it's done.
Done? What?
You wanted people to know about the lake's condition, right? What's better than Facebook? Oh my god. The pic I just posted got 100 likes already.
It's very common when girls do it, right?
I feel better now.
Guys, I have an idea. Let's use our skills to promote our lake.
Wow, that's a great idea.
Yeah.
John takes good pictures. We can put them up everywhere in the community and publicize. I'm sure it will grab attention.
I'm already ready with my camera.
Nikki, you can paint, right?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll design a website and put all our work on it.
So Fatty is finally doing something.
Perfect. Bunny, you create a website and you promote it and market it. Create a Facebook page, post it, and tweet it, whatever you want to. And I'll write a blog.
Okay.
Said then, we'll all start tomorrow.
Yeah, 1 second. Be on the line. Hi.
Hey, we are working for the lake from tomorrow. Will you join us?
Sorry, I'm busy.
Yeah, clean those too. Hi, Auntie.
Hello.
Auntie, can you help us with the funds for the lake?
I'm sorry, I'm very busy.
My dress is getting
Bunny.
spoiled.
How many days will we clean up this mess? Oh god, I'm tired. I'm hungry.
Eat that mud and drink that water.
Looks like they started working for the lake. అమ్మా ఆడుకోవడానికి వెళ్తున్నాను.
సరే హరి ఒక్క నిమిషం ఆగు. ఈ చెత్త తీసుకెళ్ళి చెరువు దగ్గర పడే.
సరే.
వద్దులే చెరువు దగ్గర వద్దేట్రా.
Nana, see this, our lake is on Facebook.
Close it and go study.
Hello.
Hi Aditya.
Yeah, uncle. Tell me, uncle.
I need to discuss something important with you.
Okay,
Can you
okay.
come down to my office?
Okay, uncle.
Why are you guys working so hard for the lake?
Just for us and our community, uncle.
Oh,
Don't you feel the change in the weather, Uncle? It's so much nicer and better.
yes, I do observe, but that's not the permanent solution.
We know it's not a permanent solution. We can have pits for rainwater harvesting. It isn't something which we cannot afford.
It's not simple. This lake belongs to the government and we need permissions to do anything. This lake is encroached by a powerful politician named Prakash. And we are not intended to get into his way. I think you can understand.
But Uncle, we even got solution for the funds problem.
We already have NGOs who agree to take care of funds.
I'm sorry. I don't think I can do anything about it.
Okay, Uncle.
We'll do something else.
1 minute. I think RTI Act can help you.
Adi, start the draft. I'm getting the content ready.
I'm on it.
Okay, I will include the pics which I clicked. Huh?
John, right to information is a formal document. You cannot include any pictures in it.
Oh. Hey, Fatso, we are on a mission.
Look, I've already updated the website.
What? You did it?
Yeah.
Hi Adi, how are you, man?
Look, this fellow Prakash is in jail.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Yeah, we did, man.
Right to Information Act worked for us.
Guys, finally, this is our lake.
Yes, we did it.
Yes.
It's so cute.
Hey, John, did you see the paper today?
Yeah, I am very happy about it.
You're on the front page, dude. I can't believe it.
Yeah, once flipped on the paper.
I think we need to start again.